Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Deo Pratama and here is I am as the closing government team, and according to this motion I am absolutely agree that impoverish is the best way to punish the corruptor. And this is my what I believe in this motion is if it is not the best way to punish the corruptors, then what is the reason why there are so many corruptors in this world, always and always repeating their case? For the example, they just getting in a jail for about 5 years or more, but when they are free, they are just making the same mistake, the same corruption or the same cases, and I think not. I believe that if we are release that impoverished to be the punishment of the corruptors, it will become a new way or a very good way to make fix the financial of this country. I have some reason and some explanation for it. Uh, Firstly, what is the biggest reason why corruption is happen is poverty or a poor. For the example, the corruptor will not corrupting the money if they are not feel so poor or less in their unsatisfying thing to be fulfilled. For the example, and it can once we are impoverished the corruptors, yeah, it is can be an example or can be a new way for the government to decrease the number of corruption in our country. For example, we are just impoverish corruptors and we impoverish them in very taking all of their asset, not just we the asset that we use that it is from the corruption money, but also all of his asset. The another corruptor will always think about I am in danger or I am not safe anymore because they are will be afraid of this law. For example, and if we are looking for the psychology about if we are impoverished the corruptor, we can say that it is the took their human right in opposition side. I absolutely disagree in this trouble or problem because have you know that have they ever think about the another people human right when they are corrupting the money and taking the money? For example, the effect of corruption for another aspect, I think they are not always thinking about it. So why must we think about their human right? I absolutely disagree on this point of view, and this is become the reason why the corruptor is always increasing or more many by the time. I mean that corruptor in this statement, corruptor is not afraid of jail or funding or punishment. They are afraid on the biggest reason why they are corrupting money. It is the poverty or the poor feeling not enriched by themselves, and the biggest thing it is become the reason why the corruption is always happen by the time. So impoverished is the one best way to decreasing the number of corruption, and we are going to the psychology point of view, yeah. If we are impoverished the corruptors, it will demand on their family cannot get privilege. Okay, the family cannot get privilege, and the next is get another way to earn money better. For the example, if we are taking all of his asset, they can just rebuild their life. But also, if we are not taking their asset, they can rebuild their life too, but in another way. For the example, if we took their all of their asset, they can borrow some money from another people and making a better life by using a clean money. And if we are not taking all of their asset, they can rebuild their life by another way, and it is a dirty way to build their power once more. And if they have a power once more, they can always repeat the same mistake. It is corruption. And the next is social fraud. If we are impoverish the corruptor, the social proud of their family and social life will be broken, and it is can make their life become for a time it is can decreasing the quality of their life, but also by the time it can be disappear by the time. And the next is crushing the morality. I mean, the crushing of the morality here is the corruptor will always crush the morality. They will not care about another people, just care about themselves. And it is also make me can say that human right point of view cannot be used on corruptors. And the next is decreasing the quality of life. The corruptor will decrease the quality of life. For example, they always feel unsatisfied or anything in their life. For example, they just want more and more, and to get it, they will become more corrupting the money. And the last is this is my statement. To be the dead, the corruptors will always remember as the best church that always using dirty money. And I really absolutely agree that this is the best way to punish the corruptors. And another way is we cannot just say that uh, uh, it can fix our country financial and reclaim what they're stolen. Okay, nowadays our law is just making the corruptor to pay back what they are stolen, just it, and it is making a new problem that we cannot take all of their asset because it is not. We don't know if their asset is not all of their money will by the corruptors, and I think we must took all of their asset. My name is Pratama, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.